Hanap ako ng hanap, wala nga ni.
Si Chris Lawrence, yung singer, ninakaw ko ng cellphone niya yun sa bahay niya.
About the video that's going around, yung kay Alvin. Sa mga gustong makinig lang ng story time, ito yung totoong kwento nun. So the year's 2006, gusto namin lumabas ni JR nung gabi na yun. We went to the Tomas Morato area. Guys, this is 20 years ago, okay? We went to the bar, bought some drinks, may mga nakilala kami mga tao. Kasama si Alvin dun. Nagpakilala nga siya na he's part of Starstruck daw. And we were all drinking, kwentuhan, and yung pinag-usapan namin is yung bagong single ko. Guys, I have a new single. It's called Miles Don't Matter, out sa lahat ng platforms. I dedicate this song to all the OFWs. I know you work so hard. All the people that are in LDRs, I know that's hard too. So para sa inyo po ito. Okay, balik tayo sa kwento. So we're at the bar. Nakilala ko si Alvin. And I think he was with 2 or 3 other people. So eto na, nagsasara na yung bar. Medyo bitin kami sa inuman. And so in-invite ko sila sa bahay. Pumunta naman sila. So they came to the house. We started drinking in the studio. Pansin namin na sumisikat na yung araw. Pack up na and umalis na sila. Eto na. When I was going back to my room, I noticed that nawawala cellphone ko. Hanap ako ng hanap, wala nga ni. Tinawagan ko yung isang friend niya. And I was like, hey, have you guys seen my cellphone? Sabi nila, wala. Wala daw sila nakitang cellphone, ganyan. For me, nakakapagtaka. Kasi hawak-hawak ko naman dun sa studio. And 4 lang naman kami. Talagang it's weird. So I think na-guilty yung isang friend niya and tinawagan niya ako. And inamin na si Alvin nga kumuha. And I was like, dude, why would you do that? Why would you steal from me in my own house, bro? That's so disrespectful. So long story short, nagsorry siya, and honestly, my fists were balled about. Gusto ko siyang suntukin, pero I know that violence is never the answer. So, you know, I said, it's okay. Medyo binibigyan ko pa rin siya ng attitude. Understandable naman kasi ninakawan nga niya yung cellphone ko. But that was 2006. That was a story of that. I know he's in a better place now. I know he's Christian, and alam ko naman mabait si Alvin. So, ikaw kasi Alvin, kinalimutan ko na yun. Pinaalala mo pa. Oo nga, naibalik mo ba?